Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. So it's been a while since I've tested the new features of Agility Writer, and there's been a few improvements since. And I want to show you the complete workflow. I'll try to use Code Interpreter as well. And before I start, I wanted to show you this beginner website that I created a while ago, and I have not done anything with it, but it's a nice website and I would have kept it. But I know that I won't be doing anything with it for a while. So this site was meant to be geared towards crypto, mainly halving events. So the way the site is structured is as follows. You have a nice live graph. So everything is updated automatically. You have a lovely Bitcoin halving countdown. So now the countdown is estimated to occur on May 10th next year. Then you have Bitcoin news, which are fed via the RSS. So this is live. Then you have live indicators for trading you for different time frames. You have a few explanations of strategies. You have a placeholder for a lead magnet. So this is not active yet. Again, another live chart. This has to be double checked, but this parses data from Google Trends. Another indicator. This is a very small block. I haven't done again anything with it. And now finally the crypto widget for affiliates. And if you want this website, and again, this is a complete website, you just need to pump out the content and see the affiliate commissions pour through. If you want this website, I will leave a link to Dan, where I'll be selling the domain, and even though it says the domain name, I will be selling it as a whole package, domain name plus website. So if you're interested, check it out. So okay, back to Agility Writer. As of late, I've been using exclusively the optimized mode, and I think I've said it a few times already, but I think this is very important information for beginners. Do not over-optimize your articles. Like what I used to do, I would use optimized mode. Then I would paste it into Neuron Writer and I would bump up the score even higher, but this doesn't make any sense. Use the optimized mode, fine. Then let it sync, see the rankings in a couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks. And if you are still on page 3, 5, 10, whatever, go use Neuron Writer or Surfer SEO. But if you're on page 1 or 2, just let it be, let it sit. Because if you're over-optimizing everything, you lose any leverage for further optimization. So, okay, so the keyword in question, let's hit new optimized article, is Bitcoin price prediction 2024. Okay, so the way the optimized mode works, we first get a look at the SERPs. And the ones in dark green are the most relevant articles to us. So let's take a quick look. Bitcoin price prediction, BTC price should rise by end of 2024, price prediction, okay, looks sufficient. Now to the right, audience, crypto enthusiasts, tone of voice, let's choose friendly. Point of view, I use it as auto. And we have a few outline variations. So understanding Bitcoin, a look at Bitcoin historical performance, what to expect 2024. Okay, looks good. So now key takeaways, add styling, yes, this will add bulleted words, lists and tables, FAQ, yes, optimize keyword, yes. I don't need image prompts. I want YouTube videos. I want authority links. Also, I want to paste some internal links as well. So let's just go to the same website that I've shown you and go to the sitemap. And I don't have a lot of content here just because I haven't really done anything. Okay, so these links will be referenced, at least some of them, in our article. Now to the interesting part. Number of images. I'll choose up to 5. Free option, image style. Well, I'm tempted to use digital art. Size, landscape, alt tag, yes, short, color. We'll use it as default. People, I don't think we need any people here, none. I'm pretty sure this will disable the ethnicity and same person. but it is a very nice feature. So you could try and use the same person in all of your images. And yeah, so add to writing queue. So okay, the article has been generated. Let's take a look. Nice looking featured image. Okay, so we have key takeaways, understanding Bitcoin, nice, factors influencing Bitcoin value. These are our internal links. Now that's an external link, hang on. A YouTube video. Okay, nice, beautiful. I like it already. And the formatting. So click copy to article. So I wish there was an easier way of creating featured images. Maybe there is. So for now I actually like this one better. Save image as. And even though I have a certain style for my featured images, I just wanted to test out these new ones. So we'll delete it from here, we'll leave it here, okay. Oh, and now the YouTube embeds. Nice, so let's take a look at the whole article. I think this is looking very good. Okay, featured image. Another one, table of contents, key takeaways, factors influencing Bitcoin price, another YouTube embed, another YouTube embed, nice. Lists. And this is an internal link to one of my articles. This is also an internal link. Tables, beautiful. So this is a very solid article. A very solid article. Also wanted to test using code interpreter. So let's open a new Word document. Let's paste the whole thing in. Okay, like so. We'll name it price prediction. Code interpreter. Let's attach the article. Okay. The attached is an article about Bitcoin price prediction 2024. Suggest or even generate 10 relevant visualizations, aka tables, pie charts, or diagrams based on the content. Let me first read and analyze the document to understand the content. Okay, fair enough. So it now says that the intro doesn't have anything to visualize, basically. This part of the document provides more insight. This is the latter part of the document. It continues reading the whole article. The next part provides a brief overview of Bitcoin. And this section does not provide any specific data that can be visualized. Let's continue. So we've got a couple of suggestions already. These ones here and these ones here. Okay, another suggestion. And this is how you create your content. You use Agility Writer, and that does like 99%. And then you use Code Interpreter to provide additional visualizations and graphs. Nice. Now let's proceed to create these visualizations. Go ahead. Okay, factors influencing Bitcoin value, nice. Market sentiment, halvings, global events, supply and demand, and this is all true. Now, second visualization. This is a range of predicted price, so the low range is around 50, I would say. The higher range is 150,000, maybe. Oh, that's the range, 50 and 150, nice. Now, third visualization is the Bitcoin circulation status. In circulation, not yet mined. And what I like about these visualizations, there is no watermark, and they are not attributed to any source, and they are unique. This is the recent percentage change in Bitcoin price, past 7 days and past 1 month. Okay. Oh, I like this one. I love this one. So these are different predictions based on the source. So this is Analyst A, this is Research Firm B, this is Crypto Expert C, and Wall Street Investor D. Nice. Again, this is another take on predictions, but for 2025, low, medium, and high. And low is sub 20,000, I would assume, and high is 100. Comparison between Bitcoin and alternative cryptocurrencies. And this is market cap. Again, neat. So you can basically choose any one of these. And personally, I think I like this one. Okay, so we need to find a part where different sources give their predictions. Yeah, that's the one. So image. It's okay. Nice. And we had something affecting the price, supply and demand. This one here, we can actually substitute this picture with the one that we downloaded. Update. So finally, this is the updated post. Again, featured image. Another one, table of contents. This is factors influencing Bitcoin price. Beautiful. YouTube video of the image, table, another image, another YouTube video, another table, another custom-made diagram. Look at that. And don't tell me this is not one of the better content pieces on the subject. So this is now published, and you can check it out here, our blog. So this has a different featured image than the rest, but this is for you to take a look and see the quality of the Agility Rider's output. And again, if you want to purchase this website, this is a starter website. There is no traffic here, but I think like this is a plug and play kind of deal. And I will be leaving the a link to Dan where you can purchase this domain. And before I go, we still have an exclusive discount for Agility Rider. So if you go to Trick Me Not, the recommended tools, you can see that the VAS 15, which is a 15% off lifetime, is still valid. You can still use it, and no one else has this kind of code and discount. And you can check out other discounts as well, especially the SEO writing, the best AI tool for beginners in bulk production, and for buying premium links, because I've recently went all the way from rank 5 to rank 1 in just 1 month. And you can get 15% off. So, hope this video was helpful. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.